Hey guys, I'm Mike from REESE, and today we're taking a look at the REESE 32K M5 for Ford, part number 30940. Continuing the REESE legacy, the M5 fifth wheel hitch combines the latest in technology, rugged endurance, and sleek design. We all know that trucks are getting bigger, and the trailers we tow are getting heavier. That's why REESE designed the 32K M5, the highest capacity currently on the market today. Experience the quietest and smoothest tow possible, thanks to our wider stance center section, tighter tolerances in manufacturing, and an industry-leading shock damping system. This new M5 fifth wheel hitch gives you a weight capacity of 32,000 pounds and a pin weight capacity of 6,400 pounds, providing the highest weight rating in the market. Exclusive to the M5 is its patented ready-to-receive Talon Jaw. No longer do you need to get out of your truck to prepare your hitch for towing. With the ready-to-receive jaw, you simply back in, secure the trailer, and go. And the REESE M5 removes the worry of incorrect hookup with its high pin lockout, featuring a tow, no-tow indicator that lets you know when it's safe to go. The Talon Jaw is designed to grip the trailer's kingpin to eliminate longitudinal chucking, reducing sway and giving you more control on the road. No longer struggle with hard-to-reach controls. The M5's easy slide handle requires less effort and force to open. It's so easy that anyone can operate it, even under a load. The M5 also features an industry-leading shock damping system, significantly decreasing fore and aft movement compared to other units in the market, while providing a smooth and quiet ride. For those trucks with higher beds, the M5 has 3 optimal height locations to provide increased clearance between your truck and trailer. Get more of what you want out of a fifth wheel hitch. More capacity, more comfort, and more versatility, making your towing experience as enjoyable as the destination. And that's it for the 32K M5 for Ford, part number 30940. For more information on this and other great products from REESE, visit reeseproducts.com.